Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel in Agoda app step by step. First, open the app and then on the home screen, enter your designation. After that, go ahead and enter the check-in and check-out dates and number of guests. Then tap search. Then a lot of options will show up. Browse through the list of available hotels and select the one that matches your budget and preferences. Next, make sure you fully check the details such as price and amenities and location, guest reviews and cancellation policy. Once you've chosen the hotel, choose your room and then enter your name, email and country and click on book now or reserve. Enter your guest details and payment information, then review everything before confirming the booking. After confirmation, you'll receive a booking confirmation email with all the details. That's how you book a hotel on Agoda. Subscribe